Bottom line is the IRS is about to ramp up audits. They've said that much, and they're looking to crack down on tax cheats. They're looking to bring more money into the government. When the government spends as much money as we're spending, and when it's $1 to $2 trillion more every fiscal year than what we're bringing in taxes, that cannot go on forever. So one of the things that the IRS is mandated to do is bring more money in. And one of the things that's going to help them is they've been understaffed now for years. In fact, some people might say for decades from what they were back in the 90s. The IRS has been bolstered now with an extra $80 billion in new funding. And their own commissioner, Danny Werfel, has said that their strategic plan over the next 3 years includes a sharp increase in audits. Now, who are they targeting? Oh, I think this could affect just about anybody and everybody, but they've said for sure any entity with assets over $250 million, but not just the big corps, large partnerships with assets of more than $10 million. And it doesn't take much to get to assets of $10 million. You could own one apartment building and qualify. You could be an LLC yourself, or you and your wife, or you and a partner, and have one or two rental properties and have assets of $10 million. And the IRS has already said that their audit rate on large partnerships, wealthy individuals, the audit rates are going to go up by 50%. You got a lot of money, you got a lot of assets, or you're a partnership and you just have $10 million in assets and it doesn't take much to be in that category, you should be concerned that the likelihood of getting audited is going to increase. So if you've been cutting corners, or if you're being represented by accountants or CPAs that haven't been involved in working with tax audits, fighting the IRS tooth and nail like we do for our clients, and understand how to avoid them calling in the first place, this is something that you probably want to take a closer look at, because the IRS is coming. They've said as much. They've got $80 billion more in funding now. They're going to increase their staffs, and they're already kind of, getting a laser focus on who they're going to go after.